Namaste ji, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students and scholars, learners and listeners, professionals and officials, all over the world, those who are listening from the field of science, spirituality, commerce, arts and engineering. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Your presence is praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable. Among us, the presence of our present Prime Minister, Saint Dr. Narendra Modi ji, the most reverend, the most adorned and respected fathers, mothers, doctors, ministers, those who are listening and spending their time in listening the truth from science and spirituality, I heartily, cordially thanks the God who has given us the golden opportunity for knowing the truth. So it is the duty of every citizen of our nation to know the truth and get rid from anxieties, anger, avariciousness, falsification and frustration, depression, different type of diseases that are being spreaded out day by day. We are to fight, face and get win. How? By doing meditation, by the repetition of words, by knowing our past, history, recordings, likings, sharing, commenting and subscribing our soul or spirit, which is invisible in our body, which can't be seen with these naked eyes. So for that, if God is the examiner, then we must obey His law and order. It is the law and order of nature, God, supernatural power, that we must follow for passing out our examination. Don't take stress during exams. Don't take stress during exams. Take them as a challenge and prepare with determination. Some exam related guidelines you are to follow for passing out your exam successfully. One should start preparing for the exams right from the beginning of the session and not wait for exam time. One should stop reading the books 2 hours before the exam. Meditation during this time calms and freshens one's mind. Bathing every day is good. Do not skip it for any reason on the day of exam. If possible, one must take a head shower so that one feels fresh. Avoid eating stale and fried food. Sleep at a scheduled time the day before exam for at least 5 hours. During the exam, one should have at least 3 pens. One should reach the examination center before time and take one's seat. Meditate 5 minutes before the start of the exam. The beginning and end of the answer sheet should be very effective. One must write the page number on each sheet. One must answer the questions first, knows best. Do not leave any question in the paper, whether you know the answer or not. Attempt that questions first you know the answer best. Don't leave any question unattempted. If you don't know the answer, attempt it in the end. One must never cheat in the exam. नकल करोगे तो अकल चली जाएगी. That is, if one cheats, one loses his own wisdom. One must revise the answer sheet again and again. If one finishes before time and make the corrections. If one is left with more time even after revising properly, one should meditate. Refrain from discussing the exam paper even after coming out. If one does and realizes one has made a mistake, it affects one's next examination as well. Thus, it is better to leave it unto God and pray to Him. Sitting off a computer for extended periods, studying or working with the head bent forward generally cause stress into the muscles and result in severe pain. To get relief, lie down on the bottom of a bed after getting warm up. Let your neck, upper back and arms sink forward the floor. Keep your body relaxed. Repeat this exercise twice a day, doing it for a minute each time. Cervical patients should do this exercise for 1 minute with the interval of 10 minutes. Repeat it 6 to 7 times twice a day. By doing this, you can keep cervical, weak eyesight and many brain related diseases at bay. One must meditate for an hour after the exam is over. Pray to Him to correct all the mistakes made in the paper. One must not think about the last exam but prepare for the coming exam. It is essential to work hard to get merit and gain a status in life. Sitting for long hours causes one's neck muscles to become stiff. For this, one should pay attention to certain exercises. This is not a waste of time, but time put to good use by taking care of one's health. Sportsmen, sports related tips must be followed. Sports are like worship for a sportsman. Just as sports improve mental and physical development, they also are a source of healthy entertainment. People of all ages can participate in sports as they improve one's agility. Sports also teach one to remain disciplined. To excel in sports, nutritious food and good technique are as important as practicing it with dedication. For strengthening the muscles, dumbbells. Sorry. Dumbbells. The simplest way of doing dumbbells at home is to pick up your kid or cot and work out. If you have a gym, it's fine, else your body weight is the dumbbell. Doing push-ups or squats will do away the need for a gym. Dumbbells should be done slowly to avoid jerk in any part of the body. Speed is essential for all sports. To increase speed, one should run in zigzag pattern. Toka machine. Toka machine is the father of a gym. It strengthens all muscles of the body. Set the machine in such a way that as your hands go up, you have to stand on your heels, and when they come down, you should bend completely. Speeding. Speeding strengthens the whole body. To get a good body, use of speeding in the morning and evening is recommended. This will keep your work done and give one a good body too. Some children take steroids in order to get a shapely body. One should avoid taking steroids because once one withdraws them, it adversely affects the body. In case of muscle stretch, leg pulls. Many times excessive exercise causes stretch in your leg muscles, which is called leg pull. For this, one is advised to mix mustard oil and salt in hot water, soak one's legs in it, then slowly pour this water over one's legs. Repeating this 3 or 4 times in a day will provide relief. In the obsession of building your body, don't resort to steroids. Instead, work out regularly and eat balanced pure vegetarian food. In case of sprain, twisting of legs or sprain is a cause of trouble. A simple remedy for this is to run fast as soon as one gets sprained. Doing this will get the muscle back to their normal condition. Food or nutrition. Always eat vegetarian food. Avoid intoxicating, hot and spicy food. There is a misconception that one gets a strong body after eating eggs or meat. Soybean and grams contain more protein than meat and eggs and is good for sports persons. Consumption of milk with banana proves effective for sports persons. One should refrain from eating food immediately after a practice session. A gap of at least half an hour is very essential. While one is exercising during summers, one must always keep water. Consumption of homemade pure and fresh ghee, butter, buttermilk or curd is manifold better than the supplements available in the market for muscle building. Exercising in a gymnasium without proper diet is not good. 3 separate groups should be formed in the sports campus for training. One group should be for heavy players, second one for lean players, and the third should be for the fit players. The players should be given food according to their groups. Pure ghee is very good for players, but hard workout is very essential along with this. Technique. If players play using the correct technique, they will definitely succeed. Swimming is very essential for all players. It relaxes the body. Swimmers should consume more water. Practice pranayama regularly. It increases stamina, which is essential for every game. Whenever one does rigorous swimming, one must perform exercise that relax after that. Practice celibacy. It strengthens the body from inside. It is essential to warm up before any exercise. Initially, one might not experience any problems, but sudden sprain, muscle pulls or cramps may result if one doesn't warm up. Exercise in such a way that one's body gets covered up in sweat from head to toe. Believe it, one won't have heart disease. Many of the diseases will be cured. If one has stairs in one's house, one must climb them running in the way that one should breathe like a blowpipe. One should feel one's heart taking. One should feel one's heart talking. One should believe in the fact that if one starts doing this regularly, one will be cured of diseases and will lose weight simultaneously. Parents should make children exercise right from the beginning. It won't hinder their growth, but would rather be better. If a child grows strong, he will think strong. Abstain from excessive weight lifting. Twisting a child's hands, legs, light yoga won't have any adverse effect on the child's body. Rather, it will save him from muscle pulls and cramp. It won't have any impact even if a child is falls in the process. Parents should teach children swimming right from the childhood. Now a short break, just within 2 minutes. Thanks for waiting. So let us continue our topic. If a sportsman trains with keeping the right techniques in his mind, then he will surely succeed in his endeavor. Your health, our concern. What is meditation? What is meditation? Suppose many people are gathered at a place and one wants to meet a specific person. If one doesn't know that person's name, how will one call him? Once calling him without knowing his name would not help. And if one calls his name, he will respond immediately. Similarly, meditation is the name of Allah, Ram, Vaheguru and God. So Guru Mantra is the name of Allah, Ram, Vaheguru and God. If a person can respond to his name, why will God not respond to his name? He will definitely hear our voice. Chanting the descriptive name constantly saves one from misery, trouble and diseases. It is cure all and it flourishes as much as it is used. Scientists from Australia, Germany and England researched on 10 to 12,000 people on this subject. There were some people who did not believe in the existence of God, whereas others believed that He did. The scientists used sensitive computer chips on them to record the differences. Computers were set up on all sides to constantly monitor them. When the results appeared, the scientists were taken aback. They surmised that the subjects who did not believe in the existence of the Almighty and did not pray to Him regularly had more negative thoughts, fought over trivial issues, had stronger suicidal tendencies, while the subjects who believed in the Almighty were more peaceful, had less anger. They did not fight, they were not selfish and worked for welfare of all beings. The most important inference from this research was that when one prays, invisible rays from the outer space enter in one's brain, which help in remain peaceful. The scientists researched intensively to understand the source of these rays. In our Vedas and religious scriptures, it is mentioned clearly that these rays originate from Om, the supreme power, and enter the brains of the sets that are on, or brains of people who meditate on the Almighty and enrich them with peace from within. It is only 2 years back the scientists have agreed on this phenomena. Whereas in our Vedas and religions, it has been said way back that the voice of the spiritual being and the rays come from another world. Build one's self-confidence and leave one free from all tensions. How does the meditation or Guru Mantra work? When one doesn't get the solution for one's any problem, one keeps thinking about it a lot, and that problem proves fatal. Lack of confidence makes one's life burdensome. One tortures one's mind, but it doesn't give one any respite. But one chants the Guru Mantra, the mind gives one a solution to that problem. One's thinking and understanding powers grow manifold, because chanting the Guru Mantra takes one's self-confidence to its peak. Increase in confidence can get one victory even in a lost game. It has been observed with many patients with whom medications worked only 10%, but after their confidence rose with the chant of Guru Mantra, another 0 was added to 10 and their medications started working 100%. Pranayama, Guru Mantra is most effective for everything. If one concentrates with pranayama, it leaves the body disease free. When one breathes in, keep praying in thoughts. One should concentrate between the eyes on the forehead. Breathe in and hold for some time. Initially, one has to do this for a few seconds and then gradually increase the time. When one does not have enough air, his muscles twitch, he sweats, because when one does not get air, his body and soul become active to save life, or one can say to maintain the body. Guru Mantra increases one's tolerance as one's capability to hold one's breath increases. So does one's tolerance. Pranayama helps one concentrate more in Guru Mantra. With pranayama and meditation, one can control one's anger and vexing, for little things stop. One's self-confidence soars up. One can progress in all areas. Continuous practice increases one's capacity to fight disease. So this is all kind of remedies for the sportsmen, students, research scholars and scientists. Let us continue our research on our soul which is the part of ultimate goal. So we should continue for knowing the truth of life. What is the truth of life? How we can get the truth of life? Then it becomes our power of soul. It becomes our strength to get the highest goal of life. Sometimes some persons creates questions regarding science and spirituality. When and where did God appear first? This is the general question which raises in the minds of the different followers, different believers of the different religions. Thousands of years have lapsed since God appeared first. According to religious literature, God appeared first in the form of divine light. What is the exact location of God? God is present everywhere and in every particle. Based upon the studies made on more than 4,000 persons for 11 years, Australian scientists John Wright Beyer and Linda Wright have confirmed that God is always present within every human being in the form of an invisible energy. Why did God create this universe? He created and decorated this world in the urge of His ecstasy and delight. How did first human being become evident? It was due to the kind grace and command of Almighty God. Where is the soul situated in our body and how to experience its presence? The Spirit pervades in every minutest cell of our body. We shall have to perform regular meditation to feel its very presence. Why should we be initiated to God's words? God's words provide self-confidence and eternal peace, which cannot be acquired by any other method. According to the principles of spirituality, God's words provide salvation. Thus the soul attains freedom from the vicious cycle of rebirth. A person can visualize the presence of God and achieve perpetual happiness. One can find escape from the acute sufferings of life. A person becomes capable to overpower his desires and thus acquire safety over deadly diseases like AIDS, cancer, hepatitis, etc. Such person can achieve progress in every virtuous field. What is the relationship between moral action and religion? Both are incomplete without each other. Is there any act of deliverance and spiritual emancipation, or is it all a farce? Spiritual emancipation is a total truth. When does a person attain the status of a perfect devotee? The third eye becomes operational during the course of meditation, so that the concerned person becomes capable of visualizing a divine light about 3 times brighter than the sunlight. As a result of this achievement, the vicious force of lust, anger, greed, attachment, ego, prejudice, etc. become ineffective. Why does a person have to undergo pain and sufferings despite an initiation through a perfect spiritual guide? When the disciples do not follow the principles laid down by the spiritual master, perform meditation and get involved in selfless service to the humanity. Whenever I resort to recitation of God words, I become speechless and get involved in deep meditation. This is the righteous stage from where the perpetual divine melody begins. What should be done to make regular progress towards spiritual master? One should perform regular meditation during morning and evening time. More so, one should develop love for humanity and indulge in welfare activities of excellence. My soul had achieved its journey to the 10th door, considered as a stage of concentrating all vital energies for the moments of union with the Absolute. But I fail to regain this stage at present. It is not difficult to regain the stage. It is not difficult to regain this stage when a person has attained it once. But you have to be careful about keeping it secret and avoiding self-praise. How shall the initiated person find salvation? Deliverance is not possible without initiation to the method of meditation. Does the operation of 10th door once achieved become non-operational with the passage of time? It is not possible. When the 10th door gets open, the soul makes ascending progress towards its spiritual master. It becomes capable to visualize the supernatural power and keep on merging with it. Does the existence of a person become extinct after death? No. The soul of an initiated person becomes immortal on reaching the ultimate abode and is able to cherish the eternal bliss. The uninitiated soul enters the vicious cycles of births, rebirths. It may succeed to retain the human body after 8.4 million life forms. What is the exact meaning and nature of spiritual emancipation? Relief from sorrow and anxieties, sufferings during lifespan, and attaining salvation. Visualization of God after death is true spiritual emancipation. According to one opinion, the enemy is killed through prophets and ascetics used to achieve salvation also. Is it correct? Yes, according to religious literature. How far is it right to search for an unforeseen object? Scientific discoveries of telephone, electricity, aeroplanes, etc. are of great importance these days, but were not observed in the past. Likewise, realization of God has extreme and unlimited significance. What is the necessity of initiations to God's words if I am truly involved in the service to the humanity? Spiritual deliverance cannot be achieved without initiation to God's words. Should the declaration of spiritual master be put to the test of reasoning? The preachings of spiritual guide are divine and always perfect. When shall the era of virtues or era of chastity be established? A state when only God's words prevail everywhere and are recited. Why cannot we disclose God's words, method of meditation to anyone else? When the spiritual guide acquires the divine knowledge through meditation, then only he guides the disciples, whereas a learner cannot properly guide his followers. What is the fate of persons dying after initiation through spiritual guide? They remain obscure, ultimate, virtuous or true, blissful, eternal home. What is the difference in between life and soul? Yes, life is for a specific time period during which the spirit stays within a body. Soul or spirit is changeless, an immortal, essential component of God. Should a person avoid mental disposition to achieve progress on divine path? Saints only proclaim to avoid the acceptance of wicked thoughts in mind. How to explain the observation of innumerable gods in Hindu mythology? According to Hindu myth, every god or goddess, their superior gods and even their incarnation are being termed as God, but God is one, which is inscribed as Om under Hindu religion. Does the divine power keep every soul in the form of saint, or God designates the level of saint to particular souls? What kind of souls are provided the esteemed status of saints? Yes, God sends saints as his personal messengers to act as spiritual guides. Does God feel distress to note the evil plight of his cremation? If yes, how can painful situation is expressed? If not, why is he so harsh? Why does he not possess sympathy? The spirit itself gets into a painful condition due its entanglement in the false materialistic activities. God feels concerned and therefore he sends spiritual incarnations in the form of saints to relieve the sufferings. How can the people develop a keen eagerness to realize the presence of God, who is devoid of any particular figure, shape, or color? What kind of beauty is expected out of a formless structure? A soul is a component of God which is always eager to merge with its master and seek relief from sorrows, sufferings, rebirth, etc. Try to get involved in meditation and you shall visualize his extreme beauty beyond description. Who is responsible to make arrangements for sustaining souls in their external home? Is there any arrangement for their stay? Yes, Almighty God himself is fully responsible to maintain and sustain the complete organization. How much length of time can it require to visualize God? It may need a period of a few days or months, depending upon improvements in thoughts and actions of a person. Why is it essential to meditate on divine words for the realization of God? Does he not love his descendants? Then why does he appear only on recitation? Soul has neglected God due to involvement in materialistic activities. Doubtless to believe that God loves his creation, but shall exhibit his appearance when the soul personally recall him, because he is bound by a promise extended to the God of time. Do the saints ever forget the directions of God? No, Did God not realize the whole plight of souls in the words of Voices? It was very much in his knowledge. Therefore, he directed saints to appear. Will all the spirits become capable to reunite with Supreme Soul or God? Yes. How much time has passed by since the universe was created? Many ages have lapsed in its origin. What type of substantial evidence can you put forth its proof the very existence of God? Yes, posting of a boss becomes essential to regulate the smooth functioning of thousands of workers in an organization. Likewise, various forces of nature like air, water, earth, sun, fire, etc. are operative in this universe in a systematic manner. Therefore, the regulating power in the form of God is necessary to avoid loss of control on these components. What is the difference between a saint and God? God, He is supreme supernatural power, a perpetual and endless source of energy. Saint, he is a part and parcel of God. Do the saints become happily prepared to descend down to the materialistic world? They faithfully follow the consent and direction of God. Where do the saints live? Word of truth, land of anonymity, or virtues? They always stay with God. Does the divine power admire and adore a saint for enabling better performance in spiritual emancipation? If yes, what type of decoration is awarded? Visualization of God provides maximum delight. Such blissful grace is granted to his saint. A soul is destined to attain salvation and reach ultimate eternal home after initiation to God's words. Which supernatural body is realized first by such soul? God or spiritual guide? Is the soul able to identify its spiritual master? The soul is capable to recognize the spiritual guide in the figure of God. Therefore, perform meditation so as to learn and become capable for recognition. Do the saints get limited quota of lives to guide for their spiritual deliverance? Saints always act upon the directions of God. What is the necessity for the saints to wander about different villages and cities even when they are empowered to grant spiritual raising without much improvements? Yes, the saints pray for the well-being of every individual but provide ultimate spiritual benefits through initiation. Therefore, they have to roam about from one place to another. Do the saints offer objection to the decisions of God on finding worldly grief? No, they only pray for His wishful kind grace. God's words revealed by your kind self are also simple words. Shall we definitely be able to attain spiritual emancipation through their recitation? Have you tried the truthfulness of these holy words? Yes, the person reciting these holy words shall definitely achieve salvation, and we have also meditated on these God's words. In addition to true saints, do the priests or prophets function in vicious sphere and regulations of devil god? Yes, why not? Why do you consider homosexuality an evil act, whereas scientists have never said so? This act is not only wrong in religious opinion, but also shall bring evil consequences. Why do the saints get worried due to global warming? Why do not saints wish the global warming to continue when it can bring devastation and finish life? on earth, so as to bring speedy union of soul with God. Living souls shall not be capable to visualize God unless they resort to meditation. Saints cannot tolerate to find the people under conditions of pain, sorrows, and anxieties, etc. Therefore, they incarnate for their spiritual emancipation. They help to prevent global warming and thus safeguard masses from sufferings. Why does not God appear himself and sends his saints to this lamenting world of hypocrisy? It is due to his will. Does God predetermine a specific reason of preachings for a particular saint? Yes, it is pre-decided by divine power. True saints are great personalities who understand the principles and philosophy of religion. What are their specific contributions which have provided relief to masses in general? Every kind of goodness left in this worldly life is due to the contributions made by ancestors in the form of saints and great persons. If God is merciful enough, why does he not stop cruelty and injustice? These ill deeds are caused to be stopped through saints. But people do not abide by the sermons of saints due to wicked thoughts in their mind. Why do the people keep on accusing others for evil deed instead of wiping out their own immoral attitudes? Yes, people are trying to hide their own vices. What benefits do you reap in lieu of your sermons to the masses? God or Lord? Every religion tends to proclaim that their spiritual guide is original, true, and superior to all others. What is your point of view regarding this statement? All saints and ascetics who are capable to unite people with God, but without their personal motives, are true saints. Is not the religious responsible? Is not the religion responsible to increase hatred among people in this world? No, it is ignorance. Is there any scientific technique to get information about soul? Perhaps not. Why do the saints tend to lead domestic life? Can they not provide relief to more number of persons by leading unmarried life? They act according to the wishes of Almighty God. Can a person change one's destiny? Yes, by becoming ascetic through actions and gaining divine knowledge, but still remaining disinterested in reaping benefits. Why do always good and evil go hand in hand in this world? Goodness is due to the blessings of God, whereas wickedness is due to the power of devil god or god of time. Why do the followers of God or devotees undergo more sufferings? It is not true they always stay good, as gold acquires more purity due to heat of furnace. Likewise, a devotee feels more pleasure under odd conditions. Why are the evildoers subjected to silent punishment? Should not they be inflicted penalty in the presence of public? Yes, everybody comes to know about the crime and punishment. Why do the persons with mean actions making progress and nice people undergo sufferings? Honest persons are also making advancements. Wicked person always remain in grief and mental tension. Certain sincere persons feel distressed due to lack of contentment, which can be achieved by prayers through God's words. There are certain societies or civilizations who do not believe in divine values. What methods shall you adopt to make them understand? It is possible through religious congregations or sermons. Is a confluence of all the religions possible? You can practically observe it during religious congregation organized at institution. What is the necessity of God to mankind? Self-confidence is a key to success. God's words provide spiritual strength and deliverance from rebirths. Your disciples keep on following you. Is it not a fanatic superstition? No. It reflects a sense of strong belief and spiritual love. Was it essential for Lord Rama, Lord Krishna and sixth saint Guru Gobind Singh Ji to use weapons? Could not they bestow wisdom to their opponents? Ascetics and saints function according to the wishes of Almighty God. Your disciples sometimes pronounce you as Divine Master or Supreme Being. Is it correct? But we consider ourselves even as devoted followers to souls. But we consider ourselves even as devoted followers to slaves. Does the destiny also plays its role for achieving spiritual progress? Fortune always cooperates with a person during his righteous and virtuous actions. Their results are always increasing. On what grounds is a soul given the body from form of a man or a woman? According to the fortune of actions. Prayer, meals, wealth, and women are personal treasures. And should be safeguarded. Why should only women and not men be protected under veils? Norms of civilization and spirituality are required for both of them. But if women tend to go out of social norms, evil acts of quarrels and thoughts will increase. Certain women have been strong devotees but have not risen the status of being saints. Why so? A woman is capable of attaining a higher status because she can be mother to a saint or a god. There is couplet in the religious literature of Saint Kabir which suggests that women of any age can act like poisonous wine which can not only kills the victim on taste and causes intoxication on the very sight. Does this kind of description and manifest rebellion viewpoint of devotee towards women folk? Yes, Saint Kabir seems to make such statement regarding a secretion of Saint Kabir seems to make such statements regarding a section of women who indulge in evil passion of lust. Prior to this, women faced miserable plight in the society due to religion? Is it not due to scientific progress during 20th and 21st centuries that women have come out of male domain? Otherwise, women folk would have continued to remain in negative aptitude of saints and devotees, being considered as poisonous wine. Yes, religions have considered women as mother, and she enjoys the status of God. A deadly herb has not been described for a person blinded by a wicked passion of lust. What is the difference between an ascetic and a perfect saint? A perfect saint has the property to meditate on him and also initiate others for meditation, but does not take anything in bargain. Can a person be hypnotized through a knowledge of black magic or enchanting specific syllables, seeking dominance? Not completely, but it may affect to a certain extent. Does a perfect saint descends from divine home, or the status of saint can be achieved in this world itself? They only incarnate through ultimate abode. Does only one perfect spiritual saint exist at a given time in this world? You will understand it on performing meditation. Is there any shortage of religious literature for guidance? Because a person has to seek refuge and initiation for attaining spiritual elevation. It is very different to remember and recollect every sacred scripture. Therefore, the spiritual guide provides a method of meditation which consists of a few divine words. With practice, these can help in attaining visualization and salvation. Does the psyche or mind accompany a human body right from the time of birth? Yes, complete. Do you stand guarantee to seek visualization of God? Yes. Do the saints favor blessing life to someone? Yes. Do the saints stay unaffected by worldly distress, pleasures and enjoyment? They are full of complete divine delight. Do the saints ever get illness? Saints sometimes become sick due to evil deeds of devotees, because they always pray for relief to the suffering masses. The consequences of their wicked actions are endured by the saints. Why do we observe a great similarity in the chromosomes, structures regulating inheritance of chimpanzee and human being, in case we discard the concept of evolution? Presence of similarities does not confirm ancestral relationship. If you still like this, adopt a chimpanzee as your son and transfer your properties to his credit. Maybe that chimpanzee gets transformed to human being. Sorry. Which you can show it as an example. What was the ratio of man and woman during the origin of life on earth? There are varying description of different religions. If one religion believes the presence of single male and female, whereas other believe in the existence of many idols, how do the religions believe in the presence of God in human heart, whereas no heart specialist has ever made such observation? Cows and buffaloes release milk due to emotional loving response to their calves, but the presence of milk is never observed in their teats. Likewise, the presence of God can be realized by increasing emotional eagerness for Him. What is the difference between the course of knowledge and pious religious devotion? Course of knowledge, it can be deep understanding regarding worldly objects or events, but divine knowledge is best of all. Course of religious devotion, develop continuous emotional love and desire to visualize God and thus attain supreme delight everywhere. What is the original motive and essence of human life? Attaining release of the soul from the body and from further rebirths. Thus seek visualization of God. What is the method of religious dedication and why? Recitation of God's words, because one has neither to donate anything nor undergo suffering. Why does a person repeat mistakes despite being knowledgeable? It is all due to evil mind. Does it not disturb our own religious devotion when we develop trust in the unity of all religions? No, but it is always for the better. Should a wicked person also be not subjected to defamation? No, try to avoid vices. What is the evidence for the existence of divine word? Yes or no? You can observe it during your lifetime only through meditation. Is it not wrong to divide masses into different castes and creeds? Different castes were formed due to type of duties assigned to each section. These were not formed for quarrels or hatred. What are benefits of doing hard work when the fortune of a person's predetermined? Every human being has the right to transform one's destiny through concerted efforts and improving devotional knowledge. What is the evidence of a theory to suggest 8.4 million forms of life? No religious scripture has ever published its list. You go anywhere in society or any forest, you will notice millions of varied forms of life. Here is a list. One is vegetarian, 3.0 million of plant forms. Second is worms and insects, 2.7 million kinds in this world. Third, birds and animals, 1.4 million different generations. Number 4 is animals, 0.9 million generations. And number 5 is human being, eunuchs, demigods, ascetics, evil spirits, ghosts, etc. 0.4 million. You talk of hundreds of remote places where living forms are supposed to exist. Has the God disputed saints for those places? Yes, divine representative is present everywhere as per direction of God. Who is larger of the two in this universe, saint or God? Perfect saints have proclaimed that if we happen to find a saint and God at a given place, we should first pay reverence to our spiritual master, because God can only be achieved through His grace. What was the period of origin of life in universe? Many ages have passed since the first appearance of life. Who created this earth? God of time or Almighty of God? Who created this earth? God of time or Almighty God? Every creation has been with the order and direction of God Himself. Do the saints also come under the sphere of destiny? Everything happens with the will of God. How many spirits were sent by God to this materialistic world? How many of them have returned? There is no exact figure available, but souls are definitely going back. Does the God keep a routine inspection of heaven and hell to know about the well-being of souls? This task comes under the supervision of King of Dead or eventual destiny. All information is conveyed to God. When did God come to existence? Every existence is due to grace of God. Will a person become socially useless if he is always engrossed in prayers and meditation? A person can achieve unlimited success if he performs righteous actions through physical body and makes full advantage of devotional knowledge through spiritual thoughts. Do the saints appear with a predestined particular lifespan? Yes, they live with the direction of God. Why does not God provide a lifespan of many years, 200 or 300 for a saint? This shall benefit many more people due to will of God. Can divine power of God is attained even maintaining a passing of lust? No. God can be visualized by maintaining restraint and performing meditation during family life. Why should a person enter the custom of married life if one is supposed to maintain a safeguard against 5 vicious forces, mind, wealth, etc., and also perform meditation for achieving salvation? It is decided by person concerned, because only those devotees shall visualize God who follows the divine principles. Has there always been certain saint, spiritual guide on this earth? Yes. Is the human progressive consideration a misconcept? It is good for welfare activities but wrong for evil deeds. Can a person renouncing the materialistic world realizes God at a faster rate? Yes, if he pursues sacred principles and gets involved in divine contemplation. Does the God or his saint has to put in certain special efforts to attach a person to divine course? Every effort is made by God. Is music also helpful in achieving spiritual progress? Yes, on devotional music. Can a person lead his life devoid of joy and grief? Is there any place where these are not perceived? There is a stage during the course of meditation where a person only feels eternal delight without any suffering or pleasure. Such form of loving is only blessed to certain souls. Can a person stay in a state of personal contentment through meditation of God's words? Yes, the person can maintain peace and comfort with the grace of God. Does a devotee can feel an inkling of on death beforehand? Fully devoted person. Do the evil forces of wealth, lust and other related vices exist in the form of wicked thoughts? Yes, but certain forms like money, gold, etc. can also be observed in material form. It is generally believed that saints lead very simple mode of life. Is it a correct statement? Saints spend their life as per will of Almighty God. They also use their dress or attire according to the wishes of God. Does the saint also have to face the test of reliability? They always follow the directions of God. Do the saints not tend to fulfill their selfish motives in the garb of religious actions? Saints only appear for social well-being. They do not have any personal or selfish motives. The lives of saints are devoted for the service of humanity, just as a tree never consumes its fruits, nor does a river take its water. The head of every religious organization wishes to have a good number of followers. Everyone proclaims himself to be a perfect saint. How to believe it? Yes, follow the righteous principles of your spiritual guide and perform meditation. How do the followers come to suffer in their struggle during the selection of a true saint and a deceit? Sometimes people get deceived by initiating saints due to their ignorance, whereas followers to true saints never feel cheated. Is it not possible that God provides information about the exact location of true saints without any personal efforts? It happens with a few individuals who possesses good instincts, behavior and destiny of refined action. Which is the difference? What is the difference between a saint and ascetic, one who has renounced the world? A saint, a person who has attained oneness with God and who initiates the devotee to God. Ascetic, a person who renounced the materialistic and domestic living. When you pronounce or preach that the world has been created by God, why did He create moon and other planets, as these are of no significance to mankind? Yes, of course, every creation of Almighty God has its specific function. Are the human body figure, color, beauty, etc. predetermined through the destiny of actions performed during their previous generations? Yes. The existence of God is only relied upon faith. Why does He not make people understand through His actual appearance? If someone performs meditation during this age of vices, His presence can be visualized in every particle. Is it a crime to be an atheist? Yes. Are the disease the giving of Almighty or the God of vices? It is due to consequences of previous births. How can a true saint be searched? Listen to the sermons, ponder over and follow the preachings. Does God adopt specific strategy to recall His souls? He sends His messengers in the form of saints. Why do the lectures of saints seem too uninteresting? It is because these are virtuous. The truth seems to be bitter or distasteful in this age. Is the true saint in the same form as that of God? You shall come to understand if you resort to meditation. How could saints explain their followers in the absence of language? During the ancient times, human races was dependent upon specific gestures only. Yes, in the same manner of emotions. Has the human intelligence advanced much right from the very beginning? People had brain but did not take its full advantage. People were involved in superstitions during period of religious devotion, but scientific inventions have reduced the misconceptions among masses. Is the science incorrect despite its advantages? Yes, devotional habits remove superstitions. People may be subjected to misconceptions due to their attachment with God of vices. More so, science also is a creation of supreme religion. How many human beings were present on earth during the origin of the universe? Or did the life only exist in the form of animals? In the form of animals. Yes, only idols. Only idols were present during composition of earth. How many persons can be granted spiritual emancipation by a saint during his workable tenure? These are as per wishes of divine master. Do the saints also remain in sphere of fortune? No, not at all. Although a saint is capable to resolve all the bonds through initiation itself, what is the necessity of providing the nectar of humanity to the devotees? A saint performs every action according to the direction of God, which is advantageous to mankind. The devotee acquires better strength for performing virtuous actions. All the confined souls can be relieved of their bondage if they are able to tame and devil God of vices. Why does God not try to overpower this wicked force? It is all due to wishes of God. Guidelines to acquire the nectar of spirituality include a list of 47 principles. Can the evils be discarded only after taking the desired nectar? Can these be not avoided? Can these be not avoided through determined willpower? Is it essential to take the elixir for the said purpose? Willpower for performing righteous actions is declining these days. Therefore, God's words and the nectar of humanity provides strength to determination, and a person discards wickedness at a faster rate. Should a devotee be a fascist? Is the principle of being fascist right for a follower? One should have strong faith and not become obstinate so as to attain his blessings and visualization. Is the God concerned about his souls? Everyone is under his direct care or surveillance. Why is God that stubborn master who does not speed up the efforts providing salvation to his descendants? God is very kind and not strict. He performs according to his set procedure. Does the soul possess any definite figure? Soul is recognized through a body and a body through its soul. Is this decision not incorrect to send souls? Does God neglect such decision? Every action performed by God is correct. Do the souls also run to and fro for the visualization of God during their stay in divine home? No, God is linked with every soul. According to Saint Tulsidas, no one can fully understand the esteemed intelligence of saints. Why do saints consider themselves as unsolved riddles? Cannot the saints modify themselves so that everyone can follow them? Is it wrong to convince the disciple? You have not taken sayings in the right spirit. It only suggests that a disciple comes to realize the devotional strength of spiritual guide progressing through meditation. Is the knowledge of a language significant in the attainment of God? If yes, the languages of Hindi and Punjabi enjoy good status. Recitation of God's words has great importance in visualizing God. Recitation of God's words has great importance in visualizing God. Human beings have not appeared on earth by their own willingness. It was due to wishes of divine power. Why is mankind cast for this? It is because he does not try to seek spiritual deliverance through meditation and becomes engrossed in worldly affairs. Is the God trustworthy when he made so many spirits homeless just to please a devil soul of time? The souls were guilty of rejecting the directions of God because every phenomena is divine. How many spheres are present in human body? How can God be visualized by operating these riddles? These spheres are described under abstract meditation. A soul directly reaches the gateway, 10th door, to ultimate divine home and therefore to the visualization of God. Who are the true friends of God? Who are the true friends of God? Persons who have selfless love for His creation and offer regular prayers. Why does God not appear on single call, whereas a person responds on 1 or 2 calls? God can be attained even on 1 call if a person remember Him with true spirit and on discarding evil thoughts. How to rely upon the confidence of God that He shall not descend the souls again on earth? There is a perfect divine principle that the soul who seeks salvation through meditation shall never take a rebirth. Is it not a misconception to show off delusion for divine spheres, anonymous superword? It is a reality and not a myth. Is not the spirituality decreasing the importance of education? It is considered that illiterate persons are more successful in the concept of spirituality. Persons who perform virtuous actions and tend to follow the divine principles become more successful. Are not the religion and spirituality obstacles in the process of bringing progress? What are your opinions? These good aspects are helpful in progress rather than making any hindrance. Does the saint perform according to his own wishes or seeks directions from God for every act? He acts on divine guidelines. Divine home cannot be viewed through sharp mind or intelligence. Is it within our body or beyond the limits of sky? Anonymous, divine home and the word of chastity are situated within our body and very off. You shall have to perform intensive practice and reach a stage of deep meditation by if you indulge in regular recitation to God's words. Although Almighty is all powerful, why does not God provide remission from sins after death? Persons who perform prayers are granted amnesty even disturbing their lifespan. Why does God have to send ambassadors in this world even when He exists in every universal particle? God does not possess any particular body. God has to depute messengers in the form of human figures. Why is his soul subjected to a vicious cycle of rebirth for 8.4 million life forms? A person undergoes the cycle of rebirth if he does not seek initiation and cause breach onto divine regulations. Are the devil, mind and god of death brother sister to each other? Devil mind is an agent to the devil god, because both of these pave way to hell. What were the reasons that people offer opposition to every prophet and incarnation on earth? The people engaged in professions of wicked deeds face losses when the spiritual guides try to attach masses to God's words and ask them to avoid intoxicants. Such professionals come forward to lead conflicts. What is your message to the society regarding adoption of spiritual aspect during the present age of time? Our religious literature describe the present period under the age of devil god. Our message during such period is that you remain attached to the principle of your religion. Perform meditation and always rely upon the earning through self-toil. What is the difference between critical review and trustful description? If a person is engaged in doing a wrong activity, your statement becomes truthful. When you ask him once or twice to avoid such a action, but it becomes a cause of criticism if you publicly describe his evil deeds. What are opinions regarding religions. We wish to state one couplet to describe our viewpoint regarding religion. Neither Hindu, Sikh, Christian nor Muslim is bad, but the wicked is the one who becomes bent upon performing evil deeds. Complete religions should never be put to blame on the evil performance of any individual. We believe that every religion is right in its course of good principles. Why does not a person face consequences for his attempts to de-link people from God? Its decision is left to divine power, but such persons have to face the after effects for evil actions. Do the eternal divine words ever become mortal? Such words means the supernatural divine melody of God words may change up to dissolution of the word and catastrophe, but the divine melody does not undergo any change. Reverend Master, does this universe possess ghosts and evil spirits? Ignorance is the only ghost. Do not indulge in misconceptions. Such spirits only stay in ethereal spaces. What are signs of spiritual elevation? Signs of spiritual elevation. When a person starts meditation, an unforeseen light appears in front of eyes which indicate elevation. Then the soul seems to leave the body and performs an ascending journey. One feels the figure of spiritual guide. Later on, spiritual emancipation takes place. Does a person face a certain mental problem if he performs forcible meditation for a long period? Mind can only be controlled through intensive struggle with it. It will not cause any damage to the brain. Mind can only be controlled through intensive struggle with it. It will not cause any damage to the brain. How to assimilate the extreme pleasure achieved through recitation of God's words? Can we share the feeling with someone? No. Try to assimilate them, which will increase your delight. So, for a short break, Thanks for waiting. When I started prayers and recitation, I felt an upward pulling stretch on my soul. I got scared and left recitation. More so, I started disclosing such incident. You are moving towards deep meditation. Recitation of God's words does not kill anyone and rather provides freshness. Human mind receives the fragrance of spiritual soothing and His kind grace, but you are not supposed to disclose this secret. Can a person get relief from the consequence of deeds by performing recitation during routine working? Can he also achieve visualization of spiritual master? One definitely becomes relieved of the wicked deeds, but certain concentration is essential to attain divine realization. What are the reasons that our mind does not stick to recitation? One has to strive for it to regulate mind. Continue your efforts to gradually repeat God's words while performing routine activities in every position and situation, so that our mind becomes used to these holy words. You must try to follow the sermons perceived during religious congregation. Thus you definitely win over your mind in near future. Next question. If the bodies of two initiated persons are tied with together, will the two souls collectively reach their divine home, or each soul independently visualize God? Answer is, if both the souls leave their bodies at the same time, both were involved in prayers and meditation, such souls are independently perceived by Divine Master. A blessed soul acquires the support of God Himself. One soul cannot accompany another soul. Why do the devotees undergo sufferings? The quality of God improves after passing through first test. Secondly, the devotees get relieved of the consequences of evil deeds of their previous birth. If any, the wicked persons keep on maligning their fortune through accumulation of evil actions. Therefore, they are subjected to help during present and future generations. Does a person reap complete benefit when he is capable to listen and realize the divine presence of God? Divine presence during prayers and recitation. Such persons definitely enjoy the full advantages. Did the God of time ask for certain souls during age of chastity or Satyug, period of Lord Rama, Treta Yug, and period of Lord Krishna, Dwapar Yug? Yes, He demanded spirits right from the origin of universe. There has been simultaneously existence of both the forces, the kind and the devil, during every age or period. But during ancient times, the devil force was insignificant and was dominated by the kind power. During the present age of time, the devil force has increased much, but the virtuous kind power retained its supreme energy. Next question. In the course of spirituality, the supreme power of God, fourth form of Lord Rama, is able to grant spiritual emancipation. But history reveals certain cases when the angels working in the domain of God of time also provided salvation. For example, in case of devotee Bhakt Prahlad. Answer. Providing relief in place of pain and sufferings has sometimes been termed as salvation on the earth. A process of removing the ill effects of certain evil deeds and thus providing the benefits of heaven after a long time under hell is also called salvation. But the fourth rank of Lord Rama is supreme, who has also generated Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and Lord Mahesha. He is the ultimate source of divine energy. Recitation on his words provide unique spiritual emancipation that the soul can never return in the vicious cycle. Such soul attains eternal home which contains the beauty of billion times more as compared to heaven. That type of unique salvation can only be granted by Lord Rama as fourth Rama. Why a person commits evil deeds despite knowing it? One does so due to the influence of the negative thoughts and the negative forces, whereas not doing meditation is also a reason. What is the exact meaning of the word Satnam? Satnam Vaheguru. Founder of institution, establisher, starter, beginner, Beprava Shyamastana Ji Maharaj assigned this holy name to his spiritual successor as Shah Satnam Ji. In the true sense, it denotes as the true name of divine master. How much benefit does not reap? How much benefit does one reap through each religious congregation? Attendance of religious congregation for a few moments provides the benefit better than 50 years of prayers. The devotee seeks the advantages of a service and meditation if he abide by the sermons attained during congregation. Does the death of a young man suggest the revenge of a soul from the family? Yes, maybe that departed soul could be destined to live for a limited period with his family. Sometimes it may due to fortune of give and take of previous births. What is the relationship of soul with a body? How should we review this form of relationship? Soul without body and the body without soul do not carry any recognition. Except for a relation of husband-wife, one should consider the elders as mother-father, similar age group as sister-brother, and younger one as son-daughter. Is the recitation of God's words performed during routine working be more beneficial than working than during concentration? No. Recitation during regular work or walking etc. is a small dose to initiate concentration of mind. One does gain some benefit, but the process of repeating divine words can lead to attain deep meditation for the blissful visualization of supreme power. Which is the better way of meditation? Doing Simran by using the tongue or through thoughts with mouth closed. A person can adopt both of these. While meditating in thoughts, thoughts do not roam here and there, but it is slightly tougher. Yes, next question. What kind of feeling is experienced when the soul takes up journey of divine elevation? Please explain in detail about the spheres locating God of death, birth and salvation. Listen. God is eternal and perpetual source of divine light, which created lords and gods as God of birth, Brahma, death, Mahesh, and sustaining life, Vishnu. More so, God of time, devils, recalls, etc. have also been generated by him. He can bless spiritual emancipation when a person resorts to meditation. His soul is not held midways. It is only destined for divine home. Every person gets advantages of one's good deeds. Why does God require meditation? He is capable to finish the existence of death God and also recall souls unto himself. Yes, actually God does not require his praise or recitation, but the people themselves perform this act of prayer because it is their personal necessity. Prayer to God helps in many ways and can pave way to attain salvation from rebirth, which is the best way to pay back the benevolence bestowed by the holy man. By honoring and following their preaching in true sense, no one can ever pay back to the Almighty, but by doing so, he bestows further more delights. Reverend Fathers, I performed recitation of God words by counting the repeats. Is it correct? No. Recitation should be performed without counts because one may be stuck to a limited number. When taken to God's words, try to perform repeated and speedy recitation. Later on, do not take much care on wording, and thus counting shall also become insignificant. Should one eat flesh, that is non-vegetarian food? Spiritually talking, eating of flesh by humans is prohibited, and science also tells that we are purely vegetarian. No Guru, Peer, Holy Saint did ever sermon that for worshipping eating flesh is mandatory. Should an initiated person show prejudice to a non-vegetarian? He should be convinced to show prejudice to flesh. Do the persons who watch spiritual congregation on the TV or live on internet also get benefits of attendance and blessings? Yes, they get, but not as much as it gained by physically coming to spiritual program, because in spiritual program many lakhs persons gather, and on their earth the Lord himself has to come there. What is the difference between preacher means Guru and the Lord means Satguru? Ram, God, Allah, Vaheguru are also addressed as the Lord, and also the saint hermit who has attained the Almighty, whereas a preacher is the one who delivers all true knowledge. Would the person be recognized as having committed evil deeds who guides another to get initiation, and after the initiation, having taken the method of meditation, that is Nam, that another gets back to his earlier habits? No. By doing so, you would not be doing any wrong. Rather, by getting him the method of meditation, you do a noble deed. However, if he does not obey and follow his earlier habits, then he would know and his Lord might know. What is the difference between self-esteem and egotism? The confidence, creation, and its strong persistence motivation towards performing noble deeds are called self-esteem. The pride of worldly wealth, high contacts, intelligentsia, and offspring's notion is categorized as egotism. How much time of the period of degeneration is remaining for its end? How much time of the period of degeneration is remaining for its end? For those who carry unmitigated faith, actions, do regular meditation, and render selfless service for the welfare of humanity, the period of the Almighty persists and the dark age or the Kali Yuga ends. What is affection? Why a person gets entrapped in it? Earning to feed one's offsprings is not affection, but supporting them by holding them in right in the event of their committing theft, cheating, misappropriation, then it is blindness caused by affection. So adopting cheating, misappropriation, corruption for one's offsprings is called affection, enchantment. Feeding and upbringing one's children through hard work is human duty which should be performed. In which way does the love towards Satguru soar? Through Seva Simran, and by obeying the preaching, the love towards Satguru increases. Do the tears shed on reading the spiritual benevolence come in the category of true order for the Almighty? For sure, that dedicated soul swings in the love and ardor for the Almighty and contains no shame. Which of the two is better? Not to exert efforts or become a failure on performing a task. One must keep on trying. I feel shocks, jerks in hands, legs and head while meditating. Why does it happen? Yes, it happens with a few. Try to concentrate on doing meditation, Sumran, while walking or moving, and also get the God's words you are reciting checked for its exactness so that this problem does not recur. It is quite possible that your accumulated terrible deeds are being nullified. Therefore, do not get frightened and do continue Simran. You will get progress. Why are we not permitted to divulge God's words or Naam to others? Yes, only an educated can educate others. Have you ever seen the students teaching the teachers in any school or college? Since Guru, Peer, Pagambar is initiated since inception and has reached the Almighty, therefore they can guide and take their disciples to the acme. The one who himself is a disciple cannot make his own disciples. His mother's womb, any separate place from this death word or Mrityulok? If not, then why the remembrance of God always exists while the creature dwells in it? There the soul exists in its original form and which is recently departed from the Almighty. A mother's womb is the working body in the Mrityulok. The soul remember God inside the womb because when in trouble you tend to remember the Lord. True saints are unified with the Almighty when they are cited as being in the wrong in this world. How the Almighty tolerates this all? The Almighty can tolerate beyond the imagination of the human being. This is how He is God. True saints also tolerated greatly, but the Lord is the Lord. He is beyond all explanations and hearsay. The happiness knows no bounds when one gets the holy glimpse of your God self in dreams. Can we, husband and wife, discuss this, interfere, this It is He who shows His glimpse. Myself is a humble watchman. In case both are regular with meditation and both are progressing towards the benevolence, then a little of discussion may be done. But in case one has travelled long distance and other has not yet started the journey, then it is better not to discuss. Do Allah, God, Ram also sit in trance like the gods and goddess do? Allah, God, Ram do not sit in anyone's trance. Does the committal of suicide by someone implies that he has delivered only what he was delivered only that much of life? Again, does the committal of suicide by someone implies that he was delivered only that much of life? No. Committer of suicide is a great sinner. Such souls have to undergo the punishment in the deep darkness of the spiritual sphere above this world. How long does the pitcher of evil take before bursting? The pitcher of evil bursts whenever it feels full without any need of prior information. What is the reason that even while sitting in front of the true saint, the negative thoughts keep handing? It cannot happen so much in front of true saints as much it would bound while being in the worldly affairs, because saints always discuss about the Lord, God. Actually, the negative thoughts are controlled when one gets to know the taste of the God's prayers oneself internally. People tend to forget the benevolence bestowed by their Guru. The disobeying of the preachings, not doing humanitarian services and meditation, not attending program to Man Ki Baat may target such person anytime. So our present Prime Ministers, thanks Lord for giving the presence of Man Ki Baat by our Honorable present Prime Minister. Thanks.